Are you looking to permanently delete a Google Sites website but aren't sure where to start? Don't worry, today I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step process to remove your site completely in 2025. First, head over to your Google Sites dashboard by visiting sites.google.com. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites you've created. Find the site you want to delete and hover your mouse over it. You'll notice a three-dot More icon appear. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Remove. At this point, your site isn't gone forever. It's moved to your Google Drive trash. This is a safety feature in case you change your mind. To permanently delete it, go to your Drive trash, locate the site, and choose Delete Forever. Once you do this, your Google site is completely removed and cannot be recovered. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've successfully deleted your Google Sites website. Following these steps ensures your old sites don't clutter your dashboard and keeps your workspace clean and organized. If this guide helped you, make sure to try it out for yourself and stay tuned for more simple tech tips that make managing your online tools easier than ever.